Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 130,000-kilometer mark. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.